Dumelang landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlord umkhokha the curse. Now, uNomafu noZamcolo decided to go and hunt for Ituna likaMzobe. Right? No one knows where Mzobe is buried, but they need to find this gravesite so that they can take out the body and lash it. And finally, umkhokha will end. Now, this is their only hope. This is their last hope. And they need to do what they need to do. Now, they had a prayer praying to Umvelase, asking them to give them a way yokuthi bayithole lento. And like, remember guys, Umvelase is their god, right? And their god is against them finding this body and fetching this and all these things. How do you then pray to your god that is against what you're doing to protect you? Like, it does not make sure. But nonetheless, Umabusi also asked Wala ukuthi naye ambonise ukuthi ukuphi kahle kahle. As much as he was able to send umkhulu Loyana, who was healed, then unfortunately had to pass. It means ukuthi he will then direct them. Barret. But Operation Thola is Dumbu. Here we are. Amafu le ndaba ikhulunywe nabomalume, right? Uyibuse nomkakhe. And then in their discussion, Uyibuse amtshela ukuthi yazini, you shouldn't be here. The son to Umkhulu is not happy with you guys. Like, he wants nothing to do with you. And the Hobamo Halenda situation is worse. So I'm going to advise or let's tell very fast because all right, chap. But we're not going anywhere until we find the body, until we lash the body, until we ensure that the curse will be concluded forever and no one will be subjected to this curse, because this curse has finished or allowed a lot of family members to perish. As cheke uNomafu agqoka ifriskoti athuchama umuntu wakhe alethela umuntu wakhe ukudla bezwe pa bathuke bayifihle ngaphansi kwamasofa bangene kwimibobo emincane in ubani is the son to umkhulu lo oshonile obulawe heart attack. Athi ngithi, you guys must vanish in this place. You guys are not allowed in this place. You guys are not supposed to be in this place. And if I continue to see you, I'm going to deal with you. Zamcolo was like, we are not threatened by you. Whatever you want to do, whatever you are planning to do, you can do it. Remember, Uzamcolo is the Chuck Norris of the storyline. Uzamcolo is the steering. Uzamcolo is the Bruce Lee. Uzamcolo is the Jackie Chan. Zamcolo ke Van Damme, what story say? Threats kanjalo, but you could see ukuthi uNomafu is scared, and at this point there's no turning back. They must find the body and do to the body what is necessary for their survival. Now on the breakfast table, basazlela uGabisile noMamZobe, they're discussing the whole thing. But like, the issue now is around what's going to happen to the both of them, right? Baya discuss uPhakathayo uyakudla ukudla kaMamZobe, guys. uPhakathayo yenza like uMamZobe uphekile dished up on the table and the whole family is eating. uPhakathayo is also eating. uPhakathayo athi okay ngintshele ke ukuthi uZamcolo uthi ayikho into azonenza yona until such a time abuya nje nibekwe nje nina ningayenziwa next. Makabuya uzodila nani from there. Hayi uMamZobe ajabula athi vele uPhakathayo umuntu onomusa. Hayi uPhakathayo uZamcolo rather umuntu onomusa. uZamcolo dala yazi lesiphiri. uZamcolo bekathulile. Hawu kama pelongere behambe anongelings because wena isengimanga wena obulethe ngihoro. The reason why uthanda ukhulekani is because uZamcolo is not for you. uZamcolo akacoleli. uZamcolo is not a leader. Hey, in now you are for Zamcolo. But nonetheless ke as the uManzimande akhulume nalo makoti wakhe untombi asho ukuthi mama mina uMamZobe bekangangitsheli next inathi vele briga when sweet gabenye kazakutshela next benye akakusebenzise ufuna umuntu ongathi low key khohlakalings njengagabisile. But lento le mina iyangishisa ngaphakathi intombi, ngiyasilanda lesikhohlakaliso umama uMamZobe, ngithi ngiyamngena nangu girl hwish uManzimande uyongena uMamZobe watshela uMamZobe bona a mmotsa to come nice ha fetsa mo a namela Kabsile gabi she left no stone unturned abatshela indaba zabo nangu uGabsile ukhamsile nangu uMamZobo ukhamsile uGabsile futhi she's in fear because uGirl is just scared ukuthi umkhokha the curse is going to come running. Umkhandlo ke uhlangane in secret behind ibhek kalo mama lo, behind Manzimande's back. Now others are in agreement ukuthi an eye for an eye is fair. Others are in disagreement to say we cannot do an eye for an eye. But others are also blaming uPhakathwayo to say uPhakathwayo, if he had not let this woman back, if he had not remarried this woman, if he had not trusted this woman, like a lot of things would not have happened and be here. But this woman was here and was trusted by uPhakathwayo before uPhakathwayo knew ukuthi this woman is this devious and this woman could do such a thing. Like ke kgomo ya moshate at this point. Phakathwayo hapa umolato wayilisa umolato. Hayi umkhandlo ke udecide ukuthi yazini lento inzima vele asina choice siyenza mele siyenzile, but ke the courtesy mele sitshele uPhakathwayo as well. Ubani utshela uPhakathwayo hayi yazini kube yi-cat and mouse uyibona ukuthi le ndaba ibheke bani ibheke umsuthu uyo umele ayisho vele ayikho enye indlela. Alright, hamba umkhandlo ukwazi ukuthi umkhandlo uye laphana after uManzimande sekahambile sekamthele ngama-grave sekamthele ngama-beetroot uMamZobo. Mawufika umkhandlo ubatshele ke ukuthi unfortunately eBhayibhelini uStevens was stoned. Ubani was this, like all the incidents, the persecutions and executions that happened in the Bible, they were also told to uMamZobo ukuthi this is how they happened, and therefore as a church we have decided ukuthi this will be your punishment. Sizokwembela umgodi uphila sikujikijele phakathi sithi Valiant. Guys, I wanted to scream because I was like, I am genuinely scared for uMamZobo. Guys, I am genuinely scared for uMamZobo. uPhakathwayo just looked down. You could see ukuthi uGuy is defeated. But the decision has been made. There's no turning back. The days of uMamZobo on this earth are legit numbered. Like legit love is in the air for uSibusiso noSibahle. Like Lipinki uSibusiso umuntu osekasaba umani uSibahle rather sekumuntu osekasaba ukulala eyiwani. uSibusiso kumuntu ofika lapha olala ama-coaching walaphayana. Ngithi uNdlovu is dying inside. He cannot speak. He cannot utter a word. Like his punishment from their God is showing him flames. Umvelase umvale kwasani. Like lezi zinto lezi uyazibona zenzeka, but akwazi kwenza headaches is like akekho in control of anything. Hayi amtshele ke uSibahle ukuthi baba mina ngiyasaba kaso I know this might make you feel like this. I apologize. Hey da, but bottom line uSibusiso is here to stay. Ngiyamthanda uSibusiso. Guys, you know ukuthi there's a possibility ukuthi uNdlovu will not be able to walk uSibahle down the aisle. But ke angazi dina dibona kanjani. While you are at it, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. This is your girl Disebo D. I love you. Peace. Bye.